So I want to make sure you compare and contrast. See, this just says converge or diverge. This one says comparison test. So you cannot use a comparison test on this one. You have to go and do it. So remember, for an improper integral, you're looking for a plus or minus infinity in the limits of integration. Oh, that's not there. So is 1 or 5 a vertical asymptote? X equal 1, x equal 5 a vertical asymptote? Does that mean the denominator is 0 at either of those? No. Now what do I need to do? So I need to figure out where is the vertical asymptote. The vertical asymptote is at x equal 2. And you know that because that's when the denominator is 0. So we have to break this up between 1 and 2. So 4 over x minus 2 to the 2/3 plus 2 to 5. 4 over x minus 2 to the 2/3 dx. So now I need to do each of them separately. So I saw some of you trying to combine them. You can't do that. You must keep them separate. And that's because if you get infinity minus infinity, that's in indeterminate form and you can't have that. Okay, so let's do this. Limit as t goes to 2. And if I'm looking between 1 and 2, I'm going to 2 from the negative side. So 1 to t. And then let's just do a couple things at once here, just because these are very long problems. So let's do the u equal to x minus 2. du is dx. So I would get a 4u to the negative 2/3. And I'm saving that for later, right? So now I'm going to take the antiderivative. So I carry the 4, so I get a u to the positive 1/3 over a 1/3 times a 3. And then make sure you put the x's back in before you take the limit. So I'd get 12 x minus 2 to the 1/3, 1 to t. And this is an important step. You need to take the time to put these limits back in. So t is going to 2 from the negative, so I get 12. T minus 2 to the 1/3 minus 12, 1. Plug in t equal 2. Oh, will you look at that? This gives me an answer of negative 12. That means it converges. Kind of bad news, right? That means you have to go do the other part. Okay, so let's make some room here. So this one converges. I'm just going to try to save that answer to negative 12. So now let's go do this other part, because I have to combine the two parts. So it's going to be very similar, same u substitution. So let's get it going here. So I'm going to have limit. You have to write the limits, right? Limit as t goes to 2. This would be from the positive side, t to 5. And I'm going to use that same u substitution. So u to the negative 2/3. Limit as t goes to 2 from the positive side, u to the 1/3 times a 3, t to 5. Let's put the x's back in before I go take the integral. So 12 x minus 2 to the 1/3, t to 5.
Are you tutoring?
No, I'm making a video. Then limit as t goes to 2, positive side, 12. So I get a 1 to the 1/3 minus a 12, t minus 2 to the 1/3. This goes to 0. This equals 12. So the answer to the question, does it converge? Yes, it converges. And we take the two answers, negative 12 plus 12. All of it equals 0. Wow.